In this video, a couple friends and I explored the city of Chicago. Known for its tall skyscrapers, its architectural history, and gorgeous waterfront views, the city of Chicago has so much to offer. This video covers a few of our experiences while in the city.
Made it to Chicago. We actually staying in the river north, just exploring the city, checking out the new sites. We're gonna go to a comedy club called Second City tonight. We're just gonna check out the different sites in Chicago. View from the balcony right now. Anything else right now?
We're good.
We had an incredible time at the Second City Improv and Comedy Show. The performers were so talented that it came as no surprise that this venue was the starting point for many stars of Saturday Night Live.
Ooh. Hey, that wind, Shank. The wind was vicious. Feel like it pushed me.
We started out the second day checking out the Chicago River Walk, as well as the Magnificent Mile located on Michigan Avenue, which is a very vibrant area known for its upscale shops and cool restaurants.
We're here at the lakefront, Lake Michigan. It's Lake Michigan, actually, it's over here in Chicago, so checking this out, the lakefront trail.
Of course, no trip to Chicago would be right without going to Millennium Park, where stands the Cloud Gate sculpture known as the Bee.
Coming up to Cloud Gate, the Bean. Field Museum, where they have all the dinosaur and historical artifacts.
We met up with another friend who lives in the Lakeview area of Chicago. He showed us around the more residential areas, taking us to Wrigleyville, where Wrigley Field is. Plus, we got a chance to enjoy ourselves at Slugger's World Class Sports Bar, where they have a super cool live batting cage. No, this is not even, yeah, it keeps going down there too. So this is just part of it. This is just the slip where they told us to meet.
So the actual river is...
Yeah, we can go down there. But at least now we know where we need to go.
So we start there and then just face down.
Yeah, I think it's just, they call it the slip, Ogden Slip. Architectural River Cruise. On advice from several friends who visited Chicago, we did an architectural river cruise through the city, and boy, we were not disappointed. The views were breathtaking, and our guide provided an excellent tour of the history and architecture of Chicago with much flair.
Building by Bill Patterson of Cohn Patterson Fox, the New Vein Building. Bill Patterson is doing something called contextualism. When the contextualist, your goal is to build your building responding to your site. What does he do? The river turns here, his building turns.
Our last full day, we decided to go to the Navy Pier, which is a fantastic waterfront destination filled with many attractions. We also went to the Chicago Blackhawks hockey game at the United Center, which turned out to be a great game and an awesome experience. We truly enjoyed our trip to the Windy City with its beautiful buildings, lively vibe, great food, and tons of entertainment and attractions.